Hey guys, CC with the 55 gallon. I just want to do a quick little video on BGA. What is BGA? BGA is blue-green algae, but it's not really algae. It's cyanobacteria, and a good way to get rid of that bacteria is how you get rid of other bacteria. Say if you get a cut or whatever, hydrogen peroxide, and this is 3%. You gotta get the 3%. Anything more is a little bit too concentrated. And a good rule of thumb is 1 milliliter per gallon of water, and then repeat as needed. But you're noticing that I don't really have that anymore. And that's because I treated my tank yesterday, and this is the day after, and I have almost no blue-green algae. You can see a little bit right there, but for the most part, it would be all on the wood. It would be all on the Java fern. You can see a little bit here. And basically it just would not look nice, and I know that's a result of not doing my duties as a tank owner, mainly doing my water changes. I did move up from doing a 10% water change a week to 20%, so I'm hoping that will even it out. But to get rid of the blue-green algae in a pinch, all you got to do is use hydrogen peroxide. Right here on this little wigia, some of it is on there still, but most of it has actually just disappeared. This particular strand was the one that I was concerned about most. You can see a little bit, but I'm gonna give it a week or so, and then I'm gonna redose it, because I really don't like using non-aquarium things in my aquarium. But yeah, this is pretty good so far. I'm pretty happy with it, and there's really almost no BGA anymore. It's all dead. You can see the neon tetras. The angelfish is curious as to what I'm doing. And yeah, that's pretty much it. A few tips on how to apply the hydrogen peroxide. If you get a syringe and you put it in the water, you fill it up with hydrogen peroxide, and then you can spot treat it. I just went in here and I just applied it all on this particular stem, and on this one down here too, as well as this one. And they're doing pretty good. And also another thing, down here in the gravel, I also had the BGA. So with that same syringe method, I got the syringe and I actually stuck it into the gravel, and I injected it there. And as you can see, I don't have BGA anymore. I have done a water change already, so that's why you're not seeing any of it on the bottom accumulated, because I already cleaned it up. But yeah, this is the 55 gallon, and it does not have BGA anymore. And I will be doing 20% water changes instead of 10%, which 10% was not enough, I guess, especially for this fish load. I added these neon tetras, and that's when I noticed I got the BGA. I also added this high-powered light, so that may also be a factor in getting BGA, but hydrogen peroxide will make sure it doesn't reproduce. Thanks for watching.